Hi there everyone, my name is Nima and welcome to my channel. So today I went to check my mailbox and I saw a surprise package I received in the mail. I looked at the address that was sent from and I saw it's from one of my friends and subscribers from the channel. He sent me a bunch of fragrances in here, and I'd like to give a big shout out to him. Anuj, thank you so much for this gift. It was a very nice surprise. Everyone, check out EnchantePerfumes.com. He sells a bunch of vintage fragrances and also hard to find fragrances, and he has great prices. Do definitely go check out his website. He's a great guy in the community. So I'm just going to do an unboxing, see what's in here, and test them out on the test strips. And yeah, we are going to go on from there. So let's jump right into it. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Holy shit. There we go. Let's unbox this. Oh my gosh. So we got Jimmy Choo man here. Yeah, eau de toilette. Wow, very much. Wow, we got a bunch of fragrances here. Let's see the next one that's in here. We got, oh my gosh, we got Acqua Absolu eau de parfum. I really love this one. I don't have this one. I'm a big Acqua fan. Yeah, whoa. This is a great gift. Wow. So let's move on to the next. We got Eternity Eau de Parfum. Wow, another great fragrance I really love. I don't have this one as well. Yeah, so let's see what else we got in here. A big box. Oh, Narciso Eau de Parfum. Wow, and this is going to be my first fragrance from the house. I've smelled a few fragrances from the house. I don't think so I smelled this one yet, so we're going to definitely unbox this. Next, we have Mon Guerlain EDP. Oh, I've not smelled this perfume before, but yeah, this should be very good. Mon Guerlain. Great one, my Guerlain. I just bought my first Guerlain. I bought Santal Royale, so this is another. Oh wow! And the last one we got L'Homme Prada Milano Intense. Wow, I've not tried this one before either. Yeah, so let's. Yeah, thank you so much, Anuj. It's a big surprise. Yeah, so let's start off with the. I'm gonna start off with the L'Homme Prada. Okay, I have smelled L'Homme, the one that has that black leather behind it. Oh, I haven't tried this intense one. Wow. So let's see how this one smells. Let's see. Very spicy. I get some iris in here. I'm getting that lipstick vibe. Yeah, very fresh, spicy. It's similar to the original, but this one's more intense. This one's just more powerful. Wow. Very nice. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's move on to our second fragrance. What am I going to open? Okay, I'm going to open up Eternity. Let's check it out. Wow, look at it. I love the juice color. Nice and green. Let's test this over here. Oops. Very fresh, spicy. You get the herbal notes. It's green, very masculine. It just takes me back to the time when I lived in Iran. All the Persian men wore this. Great masculine fragrance. Okay, inside. Okay, we'll move on to this one, Narciso EDP Parfum. Now, I don't know if this is a men's fragrance or female, but yeah, wow. I really love the bottle. Look at it. Nice creamy color. Let's see how this one smells. This one's definitely more lipsticky. I get the floral notes. I get jasmine. Not sure if this is a female fragrance or probably it's a female that. Yeah, it does have the nice florals. Yeah. Yeah, I really love the florals. The jasmine, I really love. Very nice one. Okay, let's move on to this one. This one. Okay. I love how the texture of the box looks. Oh, look at this. Love the thing. Let's see. Has a very fine mist. I really love it. Yeah. Fresh, manly, spicy, very aromatic, very easy to wear fragrance. Great fragrance for the casual day wear. Very nice. Okay, let's try this Montguerlain. Let me save this Montguerlain for another time. Yeah, so we'll open up the Acqua. Oh, I love this. It's a very nice bottle, as you can see here. That's like a wooden type of a cap. I don't know if it's actually wooden. Yeah, it is wooden. Very nice. The juice color is very nice. Absolu. Oh, this is just a great party fragrance. It has good sweetness, fresh, spicy. It's a great evening fragrance. You can wear it anytime. You can't go wrong with any Acqua. That's a beautiful. Yeah, I really enjoy this one. Yeah, so yeah. Thank you so much again, Anuj, for sending me these fragrances. It was a really nice surprise. And yeah, I'm going to really enjoy wearing these fragrances. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.